herbs in it?
Yeah. Clock and search for them. The other one is neem. The other bag is neem.
You talk about you. One part of
All right, family. So as you can see, we're pretty much done for the day. I'm about to cool down, cut up some coconut, drink some water, and relax. Thanks for coming along. Stay tuned as we show you more footage on where we get our herbs, how we harvest and wildcraft them, the drying process, shipping, packaging, etc. Stay tuned. Shalom. I was trying to catch the rooster. Wait. Don't drink it all. Alright, come on.
Washing my heart. Cooking water, the best thing for the heart. If you go to doctor, you have a problem.
You send my mom some? Did you send my mom some?
We got three. Definitely need me get up, you know. Sweat. I don't know how you sweat.
Not like you. I sweat. Just not like that.